Hello everyone, welcome back to my series of C++ programming. Okay, today we will discuss about pure virtual function. Okay, so what is pure virtual function? A pure virtual function is a virtual function in C++ for which we need not to write any function definition and only we have to declare it. It is declared by assigning 0 in the declaration. Okay, first of all we will write a code, after then we will discuss it in detail. So I write a code for pure virtual function has include iostream.h. It is common code, you all know about that. iostream.h. Okay, also I include unio.h, unio.h for using its ch function. After then we create a class. I create a class and give name to b. In public I have create a function and give the name virtual function. Virtual void is, and initialize it to 0. Okay, that is pure virtual function. That is pure virtual function. Okay, then close class. Okay, class d derived from public b class. And in public I create a function that return type is void is, and it will work to print sorry, it is C++, so for printing I will use cout function. Cout function, and I will give a message to know about virtual function is derived class. So I will write here virtual function in derived class. Okay, and take a new line, semicolon. Okay, then we will close class d also. After then we will call function in main class. So I will create a main class, then I will create a object for class b. And also create a object for class d. Then we will call then we will insert address of object into object of D. I will save it as okay, .cpp. Save, then compile the program. Compile. There is 4 error. Declaration syntax error. What is the error of in okay. You can also find error and run it. Save. Then compile program. There is no any error. All error has cleared. Then I will run my program. I will use getch for hold the screen, then save again. After then I will run program. Okay, virtual function is derived class. Okay, so an abstract class in a class in C++ which have at least one pure virtual function. Okay, abstract class can have normal function and variable along with a pure virtual function. Abstract class cannot be instantiated, but pointers and references of abstract class type can be created. Okay, abstract classes are mainly used for upcasting so that its derived classes can use its interface. If an abstract class has derived class, then must implement all virtual function or else they will become abstract too. Okay, we cannot create object of abstract class as we reverse a slot for a pure virtual function in vtable, but we don't put any address, so vtable will remain incomplete. Okay, you can see here the output again. I hope you all understand the program of pure virtual function and you will try it in your home. Okay, now in this video pure virtual function is completed. We will see our next topic in our next video. Okay, thank you very much.